In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ClickUp free version. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, starting from a blank browser window, so you can follow along easily even if you've never used ClickUp before. First, open your web browser of choice, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar at the top, go to Google's homepage if you're not already there. In the Google search box, type the word ClickUp and press enter on your keyboard. This is a simple way to get to the official ClickUp site without needing to remember the exact web address. On the results page, look for the official ClickUp link. It will usually say something like ClickUp Project Management and show as the main site result at the top. Go ahead and click on that link to open the ClickUp homepage. Once the ClickUp site loads, you should see options to sign up or log in. Because we're creating a new account, look for the button that says Sign Up. It's often near the top right of the page or clearly highlighted on the main banner. Click on Sign Up to move to the registration form. You'll now see a sign up page with several fields. Start with the field labeled Full Name. Click inside that box and type in your first and last name as you want it to appear on your account. This is what your teammates will see, so use the name you're comfortable being identified by at work or school. Next, move to the email field. Click into the email box and type a valid email address that you have access to. This email will be used for confirmations, notifications, and password recovery, so make sure it's one you check regularly. Now, click into the password field. Choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. A good tip is to combine upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols so it's harder to guess. Type that password carefully, and if there's an option to show or hide it, you can briefly reveal it to double check for typos. When all three fields are filled in, you're ready to create your account. You can click the button that says Sign Up with Email to proceed using the information you just entered. Alternatively, if you prefer using your existing Google account and want to skip typing in details, you can click Continue with Google instead and follow the prompts to connect your Google profile. After that, your ClickUp free account will be created,